Have you ever wondered why SP Trinkets have a small R7 icon on them? And are they stronger than legendary trinkets? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into SP Trinkets, how they work, how to promote them, and what materials you need. SP Trinkets. SP Trinkets are special trinkets made for SP heroes. You can still equip them on other heroes to enjoy the raw attributes, but the trinket effect will not activate unless the correct SP hero is using it. For example, Serpent Bow's special effect only activates when Riley is the wielder. If you equip it on Bones, you will only receive the stats and critical rate bonus, but not the effect itself. At the maximum level, SP Trinkets have noticeably higher stats compared to legendary trinkets. When comparing Serpent Bow to Demise Proclamation, the Serpent Bow trinket has more than 1,100 extra strength. That is a massive difference. R7 Promotion. SP Trinkets have a third enhancement system called Promotion. You will only see the Promotion tab once the SP Trinket has been fully ascended. Promotion starts from R1 and goes all the way up to R7. Each promotion level has 4 tiers, and each tier requires a specific number of golden crystals to be promoted. When you move up to the next promotion level, you will also need an iridescent crystal. Each tier and level give extra stats, and by the time you reach R7, you gain over 1,100 additional strength and more stats. This extra strength is what separates SP Trinkets from legendary ones. 1,100 strength is a vast amount, roughly 1/3 of a hero's total strength at max level. This is why SP Trinkets are so powerful. Did you know a bundle costs a lot more with digital tax depending on the country? For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. With Lootify, you can get your first $100 bundle as low as $72. Yes, you hear me right. That's $72. And it gets even better. Inviting your friends with your custom Lootify link can earn you up to $20 per friend who bought a $100 in-game bundle with Lootify. With Lootify, you save on every bundle, avoid the heavy digital taxes, and earn even more through bonuses and invites. Click the link in the description and start saving today with Lootify. Materials. The 2 materials needed for the SP Trinket promotion are golden crystals and iridescent crystals. Golden crystals are much easier to get. They're available in value bundles where 500 crystals cost about $5. You can also exchange them from Star, Racket, Lucky Reel, and Season Store. You could also get them from the SP Trinket draws. Iridescent crystals, on the other hand, are much harder to obtain. They are not sold in bundles directly. There are only a few ways to get them. The first way is dismantling an SP Trinket. If the SP Trinket has already been promoted, dismantling will return the materials you invested as well. However, dismantling is costly. A gleaming conch costs about $2.50, and it takes 80 pulls to guarantee 1 SP Trinket, which is approximately $200. To fully promote 1 SP Trinket, the rough cost can be as high as $1,200. You can still progress slowly using free gleaming conches from the Rogues retailer, the market, and the maritime trade route. The second way is through the Season Store and Star Store. In the Season Store, you must earn it by completing journey marks. You can't buy your way through. In the Star Store, you can spend money on Star Hunt to get more star tokens and exchange them for 1 iridescent crystal. Star Hunt is not always available, so if you ever see an event that offers iridescent crystals, you should aim for them. They are scarce and costly. In some special events, like cumulative purchases, you can also get iridescent crystals by reaching $200,000 in emerald purchases. That's about $2,000 spent in-game, which very few players can afford. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.